So I just picked up the head from the machine shop this morning. It's pretty much ready to go, all nice and straight. I'm facing one problem right now. I have a broken stud I need to extract. Looks like it had been broken already for a while. You can see here where the exhaust was escaping. It's like pretty black right here. So I'm gonna attempt to weld this nut to the stud and see if I can extract it that way. Let's see if this worked. Oh! It didn't. Man, that sucks. So first attempt was a complete failure. It didn't work. This time, since I noticed that the stud was kind of deep in there, I decided to grind on it, then weld on it a little bit, and then build up that much of it. So now I'm gonna attempt to do it again. So there you have it. So parts came in. Let's see what we have here. As y'all can tell, I really don't order much from Rock Auto. What's in here? Oh, nice. Cylinder head bolts. Let's see what's in here. Another magnet. Nice. Belts. So here, you know, so far I've had good luck with Rock Auto. I haven't had any issues with them. Every time I order a part from them, it's right. This is the gasket set. So we have enough parts to stay busy on this car. I haven't ordered the bumper yet, so everything seems to be going pretty well with the Honda. I was able to remove the broken stud, which it was a bit of a simple task, especially since the head, it's completely out of the car. So now what I'm gonna do next is clean up the surface of the block and remove the rest of the timing belt and water pump, and yeah, so that'll be in the next video. So this is gonna be it for today. I'm gonna make it short. So I have a lot of work ahead of me, but I guess here within the next day or so, this should be done. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.